Today we have a new build that was generously given to us by Ember Hide. Now, this company is a new leather company up in the works, and they have decided to start selling these kits to make different things. Now, they did send me a few different things to try out, but today I'm gonna put together this field book. And Brian, which is the owner of this company, he designed this to be for the everyday beginner leather worker or the more advanced. They are pre-punched with stitch holes. So essentially with these, you just have to stitch them together, do your edges, and you're gonna have a completed product. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video, is get this field book completed. Let's go. For this first part, I'm just gonna kind of mark this inside edge right here, so I know where exactly, how far I want to put my tape. Okay, so right here. We want to go along the edges. Let's do that now. Now we just need to remove this tape so we can get the other piece laid on. Now I've got to say, this is some of the nicest red leather I've ever worked with. I mean, this is so rich and so vibrant. It's amazing. Now we're going to stitch this together. Okay, we have got this sewed together. It looks really good. Now we're just gonna clean up the edges, get them dyed, and this thing is gonna look great. I'm gonna sand this with some 1000 grit. Now I'm on my final step. I'm going to dye these edges black just to match the stitching I did. And this is going to be nearly complete. Now I'm going to give these edges a quick light sanding with some 2000 grit. And there we have it. We have our completed book. This is really nice. These kits that they put out, I can definitely vouch for them. They are very nice. No problems putting them together. Comes together very quick, very easy, and they are nice.